General Mills. Ticker symbol is GIS. And if you're a consumer of human food, you've probably heard of some of the products or some of the brands under General Mills. There's a couple of them. These are just in baking products. Got some cereals, a few familiar faces in there. Doughs and pastries, fruit, ice cream, and many, many more. So General Mills at the moment trades for about $63 per share, based in the USA, and it's in the food processing industry. It's a manufacturer and marketer of branded consumer foods sold through retail stores. The company is a supplier of branded and unbranded food products to the North American food service and commercial baking industries. It also manufactures and markets natural pet food. The segments of General Mills include North American retail, convenience stores and food service, Europe and Australia, Asia and Latin America, and pet food. General Mills also offers a range of food products with a focus on categories including including grain, fruit and savory snacks, nutrition bars, and frozen hot snacks, as well as ready-to-eat cereal, convenience meals, which includes meal kits, ethnic meals, pizza, soup, side dish mixes, frozen breakfast and frozen entrees, yogurt, wholesome natural pet food, super premium ice cream, baking mixes and ingredients, and also refrigerated and frozen dough. Has about 35,000 employees at the moment, and it operates in the consumer and non-cyclical sector. Its current market cap, $37.95 billion, has a PE ratio of 16, a revenue of $18.13 billion, a nice earnings per share of $3.90, and a current dividend yield of 3.26%. As the dividend goes, it's not great. The last one I received was 43 cents per share and it pays 4 times a year. So it's not bad, but it's about 3%. So it's safe, but nothing substantial. The 52-week high at the moment is $64.65 and the 52-week low is $53.96. And the dividend history looks pretty good, in fairness. So 2013 it was 38 cents. 2014 they raised it. 15 they raised it. 16 they raised it, and pretty much every year. Except in 2017 they bumped it up to 49 cents and it stayed like that until last year. But it now says 51 cents, but that's before withholding tax is taken out. So it's at the moment about 43 cents per share. So General Mills was founded in 1928 and this stock history goes back to 1981. So it's not completely full, but as you can see, very nice long-term growth. You know, a lot of food processing companies like this, they're quite safe bets because their product is always going to be required. It's just more the management and the actual business itself that an investor would have to think about. But looks very nice long-term growth, and it has recovered quite well after last year. Yeah, very strong. So I already had a brief look through the products or the brands, and it's obviously important to do your own research, so I won't spoil too much of that surprise for you. But the investor section is also quite packed. It's nice. It's always a good thing to see. I'm a sucker for a good investor relations section. Financial overview, corporate governance, responsibilities, upcoming events and presentations. But that's about it for this one, and I hope that this was useful.